So I purchased this little mini fridge for my cubicle at work. I just put it here in my craft room to test it out, and it does work. To me, it does seem a little cheaply made than the one I actually have at work, which is about maybe this tall. It's a little bit tall, a little bit shorter. However, I needed something with a second shelf, so it does come with another one, and it goes here. So then you have 3 rows. However, I wanted something to be able to fit tall things. So for work, I'm able to at least fit a salad and a sub sandwich in there. And I'm still able to hold 2 drinks. And here I would put maybe salad packets, salad dressing packets in here. So yeah, it does work. You can hear that close. To me, it does work, and it does close, like I said. However, it's not a strong close like I would wanted it to be, like my other mini fridge, but it does work and it does close. It's just not that strong, like kind of like refrigerator suction-y type close that I would have liked. But all in all, it does what it says it does.
This is the Amazon YASHE Mini Fridge, 6 liter, color blue. It arrived today and we're just filling it up for the first time. So as you can see, it fits my coffee creamer, 2 regular sized pop cans, and we've got a skinny sparkling water can at the back, and it could fit 2 more whole pop cans too, still with some room left. So tons of space. I'm gonna put this in my bedroom where I have my coffee machine and I have my office nearby. Going to be great for when I need a drink and don't want to come to the kitchen. Super quiet. I can't hear it at all. It's running right now. And it also comes with an extra cord so you can plug it into your car and keep your drinks cool on the road. The front door is this beautiful minimal door. Love the color. Overall, great buy. Super happy with it.